Hey guys, I wanted to do another quick tip video. This one is going to be dusting. So I'm starting off by dusting my master bedroom ceiling fan. I usually dust this before I put all my bedding on. Like, I'll usually dust it when I'm changing my comforter, my sheets and stuff, so that, if dust does get on the bed, it gets on the mattress and not my clean sheets. But I forgot and I didn't feel like pulling the whole bed apart. So I just laid down a towel and I am using a pillowcase to dust my ceiling fan actually. So I feel like that actually really keeps the dust in the pillowcase and not all over the place. I got this tip from Beauty and the Beastons. I saw her dusting her ceiling fan with a pillowcase and I decided to give it a try, and I think it works out really good. I really like doing it this way, and I didn't really see any dust on my bed. So I'm just fluffing up the pillows here, and yeah, I didn't really see any dust. So it either stayed all in the pillowcase or maybe some got on the towel and I didn't see it. But I like dusting with the pillowcase. So this is the Norwex dusting mitt. They tell you to fluff it up, quote, I guess, wake it up. They tell you to rub your hand on it, and that always gives me the heebie-jeebies because it's microfiber. So, but I had recently washed it, so I need to fluff it back up, and so I had to rub my hand all over it. But I am just dusting like my nightstands and my picture frames and all that kind of stuff. My nightstands are usually a weekly dusting because the dogs are always in our room and it gets pretty dusty in there, so those are kind of weekly. And Alex's desk area gets pretty bad too because it's right next to a window and our porch door, so it always gets super dusty over there too. I really enjoy this Norwex mitt duster because it's just so easy. You're just basically wiping the dust. And I always notice when it's dusty I use my hands anyway to wipe it away, so I decided to give this mitt a try and it works out really good. I really like it. It holds on the dust pretty good. I saw a little bit of dust fly off of it, but the dust in Colorado is kind of chunky anyway, so. Okay, so the ceiling fan in my living room is always on, so I didn't realize how bad it was. I should know because the one in our bedroom gets bad, but I just don't even think about this one because first of all, I can barely reach it and it's just always on. So I'm not able to dust with a pillowcase here very easily. I decided to use the Swiffer duster. It's like the extendable one, and dust got everywhere, all over the place. So I really enjoy the pillowcase method better, but I just can't really reach it very good with the pillowcase for this. So here's all the dust that fell. That fan it was so bad. I turned it off and I was like, wow, that looks terrible. So this next little gadget is the Baseboard Buddy. It's the as seen on TV one, and baseboard wise, it's definitely not as easy as they show it on TV. For my crown molding at the top, it was way easier, and I really liked using it on the top of my door frames and in my vents and stuff. But for like baseboards, it's kind of hard to maneuver it, but I like it, it's okay. So just using my vacuum to vacuum up anything, and even if I did the pillowcase method in the living room, I would have vacuumed afterwards anyway because my house needed it, and it just like makes it feel clean. If any dust happened to fall on the floor, you just vacuum it up. So the vacuum that I have is the Dyson pet vacuum, and it's the corded one. I would love to have a Dyson cordless vacuum. I feel like I would vacuum way more often than I do right now if I had a cordless one. Wow, that is really bad underneath the sofa. You know, I would love to have a cordless one, but I have a corded one and it works out really good. The canister was a little bit full, but I did empty it after this video, so. And that's it. That's all my dusting quick tips. Vacuuming always makes me like sweat, like major sweat. And if you're a girl, you'll know what I mean. Hope that you enjoy. Damn it. My allergies are bothering me. My throat. I sound like I'm going through puberty. Oh man. Maybe I need some water. I get some water. I need tea. I don't have time for tea. I don't even have time to eat. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed my quick tips on dusting. I live in a really dry climate, so my house gets dusty a lot. So some of it is kind of a little bit of weekly dusting, and some of it is kind of like monthly dusting or just as needed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye.